Hello guys! Today we're gonna learn how to pronounce TH sound correctly. Let's do it. First thing you have to know about TH sound is that there are two types of TH sound. The first one is unvoiced and the second one is voiced. Well, the placement of your tongue is gonna be same for both of them, but I think it's gonna be easier to start with unvoiced one or voiceless one. The first thing you wanna do is stick your tongue out, not a lot, just a little bit, and put the tip of your tongue between your teeth, just like this. Once you do this, just blow out some air and now adjust your airflow. It's not too harsh, it's very slight, just like this. Congratulations! You just accomplished the voiceless or unvoiced TH sound. Let's try it. Think, think, think. Or the second word. Thought, thought, thought. Or thin, thin, thin. Let's practice TH sound at the end of the word. Math, math, math. Or bath, bath, bath. Let's move on to more challenging combinations. Through, through, through. Or three, three, three. So the main thing is to make sure the tip of your tongue is slightly out between your teeth. That is the single thing that you can make sure of to guarantee your success with the sound. No more tricks, no more life hacks. Just like this. Think, through, three. It's pretty easy, right? And the whole sound is out of way now. Well, let's move on to voiced one. Just like I told you before, the placement and your tongue and everything else is exactly the same. You just want to add some vocal vibrations like Make sure the airflow is very light. You don't want to go too crazy on this like That's not gonna work. Let's practice together. There, there, there. That, that, that. Though, though, though. These, these, these. Now let's place it in the middle of the word. Father, father, father. Mother, mother, mother. Other, other, other. Or weather, weather, weather. Okay guys, now you know the trick. It's only a matter of time until it becomes your second nature. You have to practice a lot to form this new habit. So, to wrap this up, let's practice these sounds in a sentence or in a bunch of sentences. I'm gonna read them for you nice and slow, and you just have to repeat after me or pause this video and read them on the screen. This is something. This is something. this is something. And the next one is they should ask their mother. They should ask their mother. They should ask their Every time mother. You have to make sure the tip of your tongue is out. That is the most important and the only rule of the sound. So, last one. My 13th birthday. My 13th birthday. This one is kind of tough. Let's do it slowly. My 13th birthday. My 13th birthday. Yeah, at the beginning it's gonna be more difficult, but after you work on muscle memory and experience this sensation, it's gonna be kind of effortless. So this is it. Keep practicing. This is the only trick for this very uncomfortable and very annoying sound, so you will master it. Hopefully I gave you something useful, so thanks to watch the video and cheers!